Dollar index traded bullish once again, and as we discussed in the last week's update that the previous candle was a bullish closing and it can resume its upward journey. Also because we have seen a good bottom formation here, 3 to 4 candles getting the support at 100.5 100.6 levels, it will definitely try to bounce back. Precisely that has happened. Now what to expect next week? Is it going to give it a third bullish candle, or we can see a retracement from here? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels to watch out for. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the daily updates on major global markets and commodities. You can also join our free Telegram channel for more updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can see this. See, this was the bottom here. Then you can see it consolidating at 100.6 levels, and this zone is certainly very important support levels, as it has created a formation of bottom. After forming the double bottom, triple bottom levels at 100.6, we have seen it retracing or rising. Now you can see this was also forming a squeeze, and then this rally has happened. Now, does it mean that it is going to eye till towards this triple top levels at 105.5? Probably yes. And why it is so? Let's have a look. Now look closely on the formation here. See, it was trading bearish here, formed the bottom, retracement, traded bearish here, form a very strong bottom, and then this rally has started. Hence, this rally might continue. Also, if you look at, this was the squeeze here, and then this breakout has happened. Now, if you look at this formation, the bottom here, 101.8, 102 levels, we discussed this last time also, and we are telling again that these levels are now going to be the next support levels. Even if it tries to retrace 102, 101.8 and 101.5, these three levels, rather I will say, these levels are going to be an extreme support for dollar index for next week. Only and only if you see it trading below 101.5, you can say that there could be little more bearishness which is going to take it till towards 101 and 100.6 levels. Else, they, in all the probability, it can continue with the upward move. Now look at the formation, forming the base, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. So possibly it can give you one or two more red candles here, try to stretch the drop a bit, and then resume its upward journey. So this is also very much in all likelihood, this is also a possible scenario where it can try to retrace till towards 102.4, 102.6 zone, and then 102 levels before looking forward to an upward rise. Remember, once again I am saying 102, 101.8 and 100.5, 101. These are going to be the key levels for it to bounce back again. Hence, one should be watchful of this. Now let's have a look at the weekly. Now beautifully on the weekly charts, see reversal sign here, and after the reversal sign we have seen a massive bullish, and you can see how it has behaved here. See the flat top, similar candle. Ideally there could be either a swing candle or a straight bullish candle which is to be in formation here, and hence there could be still a little more rise which is left there for dollar index. Now if you just connect the dots, see lower highs, flat bottom, and the levels at around 104, 104.4 is something you should watch out for. It can straight away give you single bullish candle taking it till towards 104.4 levels, 104 levels, or in worst case it may try to form a sideways till here and then retrace again on the upside. This is in all probability we may see a bullish candle. That is what I can expect. Now what you should do, see, once you see it trading above 102.9 levels, you can buy. Expect 103.4 levels, 103.5 levels, and if it stretches the rally above 103.5, just stay long, and we are going to look at 104.4 levels. Beyond that, if it continues, certainly we are going to look at the triple top levels which is at 105.5. Staying above 105.5, sky is the limit on the upside, because that is a triple top level on the weekly charts, and if this is breached, we can see dollar index reversing strongly on the upside, and we might see it hitting 108 and 110 levels in the near future. I will tell you the reason why with the help of indicators. Now also, if you look at the dollar index's movement, you can see this. See, it is trading in this channel for last 10 to 15 years, and see the formation at top, retracement. This is the median here, and you can see the median line right now is almost at around 108 110 zone. So it can try to hit the median and stay there for a while before either approaching up or downside. Both ways it is possible, but right now it is very near to the median here, and it is looking forward to hit this channel here. That is first part. At the same time, on the downside, remember, breaking below 100, there is lot much downside yet to cover at around 95 and 98. This also we discussed that if it trades below 100, we are going to look at 98 to 95 levels, which is a very easily achievable levels. Why? You can see what has happened here. Consolidated here for a while, it can consolidate here for a while, and then possibly achieve the bottom here. So a bottom formation is yet to pending. You can see the formation here, then retracement is stagnating around these levels, and then the drop. So this pattern can again repeat. We have to wait a little for this to happen. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly chart, see previous two candles, one major bearish candle and a smaller body to follow this. Now a smaller body indicated that the bearishness has diminished and it may show you pullback. Precisely from the same levels we have seen the rise here. Now also you can see higher lows, higher highs here. So these levels are certainly the levels where one should remain cautious and alert. It can show you a pullback till here and close the month at around these levels, and then the next month it can form a symmetrical formation or a rise can be seen. What it may try to see, the close the month at around these levels for this candle means a retracement, means a possibility of a pullback till towards 102, and from next month it may try to rise and then come back to this level. So next month can be possibly a bullish candle again. Now this is where we are coming from, that 8 trading sessions are left. We can see a rise, a little rise, and then a pullback. This is what we can expect in the coming few days. Now let's see if the indicators are also indicating the same. Now if you look at indicators, the moving averages have started to fall flat. Previously here they were trading with divergence, but remember it has not yet started to converge. This is on the monthly charts. The super trend is still bullish with the support at around 100, and it is trading above the median of the Bollinger Bands. If you look at the stochastic, the monthly stochastic has fallen to oversold levels. See, it traded overbought for months. It has vertically dropped till the oversold zone, now trying to consolidate here near to the bottom there. Now look at the MACD on the monthly charts. See, MACD is still divergent and bearish. This is just third candle, and you can see this crossover has happened at a slightly higher levels here. Now there is a probability that it can try to converge, consolidate, and then continue with the drop. That is what we had seen on the weekly charts. Also means a little pullback for next couple of months, and then the downward journey till towards 95 98 levels can be expected. Hence we have to be just watchful here. See, this rise has happened after forming the bottom. It can probably in slightly midterm, not near term but midterm. When I say midterm, it is 6 months and above. There is all the probability that it can resume its downward journey on the monthly charts. Hence a little retracement on the upside till 105.5 108 levels, and then the drop from there can be expected again. Now this is on the monthly charts. Also if you look at the RSI, this is also dropped here. Now look at the weekly chart. On the weekly charts, 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed here. They are trading with divergence. This is a bearish sign, and this is also the zone where it is getting maximum resistance 103 103.2, where it has tried to stabilize, but I will wait for it if it continues its upward journey from here or not and breaches past the 50 period moving average. Support there from the 100 period moving average at 100.5 levels, very strong. Right now if you look at the super trend is still on sell till the time it stays below 106 107 levels. Stochastic was oversold. It has seen a good recovery. It is looking forward to upward overbought zone rather. And look why there could be a possible retracement for next few weeks. You can see after falling vertically for multiple weeks, now it is curving upwards. First crossover, this is the second crossover, which is indicative that for next few weeks we may see a retracement before it starts to resume the downward journey here again. Now on the downside, see the previous bottom are at slightly lower levels below -100. This can also stretch, but right now there should be a little retracement because there is an extreme vertical fall. See, this was so gradual that it can continue here, and this vertical fall has been seen, and hence a little retracement on the upside for next few weeks cannot be denied before it resumes its downward journey again to 98-95 levels. Now see, the stochastic which has formed a double bottom, it is also seen rising here. This is the RSI I'm talking about. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, this is a bullish sign. The 20 and 50 period moving averages have started to cross over, and see, all the moving averages are now looking upwards. This is a bullish sign for dollar index here. Also, you can see these were trading with divergence, now have started to look upwards. Now second point is, see, even if it, because see, it is trading with the divergence from the 20 period moving average, possibly it can try to converge, which means again 102, 101.8 as a very good support, and possibly achieving those levels we can see it rising again. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards. The MACD, you can also on the daily chart, the MACD is still divergent, is still bullish. This is the second to third wave. You can see this, it is trying to hit on the upside here. RSI is also looking upwards, and it is almost near to the top. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can profit trading dollar index next week. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 1st of June. The tools, techniques, and strategies taught are applicable to anything: currency, commodity, indices, anything or everything. And that is why these strategies are important. You can join the mentorship batch. Definitely it will help you become a profitable trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel where we trade major global markets and commodities. Reach out to me for more details. Let's start. Also remember, I do not run any investment scheme. Anytime you come across any investment scheme or a fake channel, please ensure that you report that person. Remember, I do not approach anyone for first time, or neither any of my social media handles follow anyone or approach anyone. Second thing is, you should confirm from the official handles the email ID and the Telegram ID mentioned in the channel and video description before making any investment. Remember this fact. Now let's start. First we'll look into the buying levels. You can buy here at 102.92, expect 103.1, and then 103.25, and then 103.5 levels. Now till here the possibility of a pullback exists. We have to be watchful of this and this zone. And if it stays beyond this, certainly we are going to look at 104 levels and 104.4 levels. It can show you very good rise beyond 103.5 levels, and possibility of it hitting 104, 104.4 level will increase there. On the downside, where to sell, I will recommend you to sell here at 102.63 levels, and below which you can expect 102.4 the first support, then 102 and 101.8. Now these are very good support levels for dollar index for the near future. Only if it tries to trade below this, there is a possibility for 101.5, but in all cases this should not be breached, because below this the bearish trend may prevail where it can try to hit 101 and 100.6 level. I don't think so that this is going to happen. This is not going to happen. That is my expectation for at least next few weeks. We may not see these levels, but possibility for it to retrace till 102 exists. In any case, you should be watchful here, you should be careful here, and it can show you a bounce back around these levels to march the rally again till towards 103, 104 levels. Hence, you should take your positions accordingly, you should trade accordingly, you should trade with a stop loss, you should trade with a trailing stop loss. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me via Telegram or email. My email and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.